Ever pondered how to create a talking character for your social media videos? Picture a sage, witty monk offering wisdom in your videos, captivating your audience with a unique mix of humor and insight. Today, let's unravel the secrets to creating a talking monk character for your social media videos. Envision the monk. What is his appearance? What does he wear? What distinctive features does he possess? This is the first step, character design. With the aid of tools such as Adobe Illustrator or Sketch, you can effortlessly bring your imagined character to life, fine-tuning every detail to perfection. Each attribute should be a reflection of your brand and strike a chord with your audience. Next, immerse yourself into the world of scripts and content using script writing tools like Final Draft or Celtics. Consider, what will your monk utter? What messages will he express? Invigorating, pertinent content is the core of your videos, hence, using these professional tools, take time to meticulously craft your scripts. Now make a choice. Will your monk be an animated character or a live actor? Both options limitless creative possibilities, so decide on the one that best aligns with your vision. Opting for animation? Use animation software like Blender for 3D models or Maya for 2D animations to breathe life your monk. Design, rig and animate your character for movement and facial expressions. Don't forget to record or generate the character's voice lines, choosing a live actor. Use casting such as Backstage to find someone who can embody your monk's persona and dialogue. Provide them with the necessary costume and props and ensure your filming setup has good lighting and clear audio. Next, delve into the world of video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Whether you're incorporating a live actor or animation, you'll need to synchronize the character's lip movements with the dialogue for a natural. If you're animating, use facial animation tools within these software to create realistic lip syncing and facial expressions. For live action videos, you may need to dub a voiceover using Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. For animation, synchronize the voice lines with the character's lip movements using these advanced software. Now elevate your videos by incorporating suitable backgrounds and special effects using tools such as Adobe After Effects and Canva. With these powerful tools, you can create mesmerizing effects and backgrounds that not only make your videos visually engaging, but also enrich the storyline. With all the elements in place, we're ready to dive into video production. Utilizing powerful tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, compile the footage, animations, and sound into the cohesive final product. Be sure to edit and fine-tune as needed, making use of the diverse range of options these softwares offer. And of course, never overlook the importance of music and sound effects. These elements have the potential to dramatically enhance the viewing experience and grant your videos a touch of professional finesse. Finally, utilize social media management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to include your branding elements and implement a compelling call to action. This could be simple as follow for more monk wisdom. Once your video is ready, distribute it across your social media platforms through these tools. Employ relevant hashtags and captivating captions to amplify its reach. And remember, engagement is key. Be responsive to comments, inquiries, and feedback from your audience. This interaction can nurture a sense of community around your talking monk character. Creating a talking monk for social media videos can be a fun and interactive way to deliver content. Keep your character consistent, customize your approach to your target audience, and observe your community flourish. Remember, every great video begins with a great character, and every successful social media campaign begins with effective management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer.